Time crunched, not health crunched. You got this. Life is busy, we get it. Work, family, errands. The to-do list never ends. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, it feels like there's always something demanding your attention. The hustle and bustle of daily life can be overwhelming, leaving you feeling like there's no room for anything else. Finding time for fitness can feel impossible. You might look at your packed schedule and wonder how you could possibly fit in a workout. The thought of adding another task to your already overflowing to-do list can be daunting. But what if we told you that it doesn't have to be this way? But here's the truth. You don't need a gym membership or hours to spare. You can achieve your fitness goals right from the comfort of your home without any fancy equipment. It's all about making the most of the time you have and using simple, effective exercises that fit into your busy lifestyle. Small changes, consistently applied, create big impact. Imagine incorporating short bursts of activity throughout your day. A few minutes here and there can add up to significant results. Whether it's a quick set of jumping jacks, a few push-ups, or a brisk walk around the block, these small efforts can lead to big improvements in your health and well-being. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder overnight. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with. Gradually increasing your activity level, lifting light weights, or doing moderate exercises can help you build strength and endurance over time. The key is consistency and making fitness a regular part of your routine. It's about feeling healthier, stronger, and more energized, even with a packed schedule. Imagine finishing a quick workout and feeling a sense of accomplishment, knowing that you've done something positive for your body. That post-workout glow and the boost in energy can make a huge difference in how you tackle the rest of your day, ready to ditch the guilt and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Let's go! It's time to take control of your health and well-being, no matter how busy life gets. With the right mindset and a few simple changes, you can make fitness a priority and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more active lifestyle. You got this! Pocket-sized workouts, fitness snacks for busy bees. Think of exercise as fitness snacks throughout your day. Got 5 minutes? Perfect. Try a set of jumping jacks, push-ups and squats. Waiting for your coffee to brew? Do some stretches or lunges. Even short bursts of activity add up. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Don't underestimate the power of micro-workouts. Habit hack making fitness stick. Turning fitness into a habit takes time and effort, but it's a journey worth embarking on. The key is to start with small, manageable steps. It might seem daunting at first, but it's easier than you think. The first step is to find your motivation. Why do you want to get fit? Is it for better health, more energy, or simply to feel good about yourself? Start small. Instead of aiming for an hour-long workout, commit to 10 minutes a day. This could be a quick morning stretch, a short home workout, or even a beginner yoga session. The goal is to make it a part of your daily routine. Once that becomes routine, gradually increase the duration or intensity. Maybe add a few more minutes to your workout or try a slightly more challenging exercise. The important thing is to keep progressing at a pace that feels right for you. Make it enjoyable. Choose activities you genuinely like. If you dread going to the gym, try something different. Join a group dance class, go biking, or enjoy a swim. The more you enjoy the activity, the more likely you are to stick with it. Dreading the gym, try dancing, hiking, or swimming instead. These activities can be just as effective and a lot more fun. Consistency is key. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Use a fitness journal, mark your calendar, or use a fitness app to keep yourself accountable. Seeing your progress over time can be incredibly motivating. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Take progress photos, track your workouts, and celebrate your milestones. Remember, every step forward is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Surround yourself with support, whether it's friends, family, or a fitness community. Having people who encourage and motivate you can make a huge difference. Share your goals and celebrate your successes together. Finally, remember that setbacks are a part of the journey. Don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a workout or don't see immediate results. Stay focused on your long-term goals and keep pushing forward. With time, patience, and persistence, you'll make fitness a lasting habit. Section 4. Sneaky steps. Moving more without noticing. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park farther away from your destination and walk the rest of the way. Walk around while talking on the phone. These small changes might seem insignificant, but they make a difference over time. Remember, every step counts. Section 5. Consistency is king. Small wins, big results. Don't get discouraged if you miss a workout or two. Life happens. The key is to get back on track as soon as possible. Focus on building a sustainable routine, not achieving perfection. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each workout, each healthy meal, each step you take is a step in the right direction. Remember, progress over perfection. Section 6. Real people, real results. Inspiration from the trenches. In this section, we dive deep into the lives of everyday heroes who have transformed their lives through fitness. These are not professional athletes or fitness models, but regular people like you and me who have found ways to incorporate exercise into their busy schedules and have reaped the benefits. Let's hear it from someone who's been there. I used to think I was too busy for exercise, says Sarah, a working mum of 2. Sarah's days are packed with responsibilities, from getting her kids ready for school to managing her job and household chores. Finding time for herself seemed impossible. But then I started incorporating short workouts into my day, like doing squats while brushing my teeth. It was a small change, but it made a big difference. I realized that I didn't need a gym membership or hours of free time to stay active. Simple exercises done consistently could fit into my daily routine. Or taking a brisk walk during my lunch break. I've never felt better. These small pockets of activity throughout the day helped me stay energized and focused. It wasn't just about losing weight or building muscle, it was about feeling good and taking care of my mental health. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that anyone can make time for fitness, no matter how busy their life may seem. It's about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. Whether it's a few minutes of stretching in the morning, a quick jog in the evening, or even dancing around the living room with your kids, every bit counts. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Remember, the journey to fitness is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about consistency, determination, and finding joy in the process. So take that first step today, no matter how small it may seem. Your future self will thank you. Section 7. Your health, your priority, the best investment. Prioritizing your health is not selfish. It's an investment in yourself. When you feel your best, you're better equipped to handle life's challenges, both big and small. Making time for fitness, even with a busy schedule, is a gift you give yourself. It's a commitment to your well-being, your energy levels, and your overall happiness. Remember, you deserve to feel your best.